Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all ready for New Year's because I am extremely excited and elated because we are stepping into New Year's. Do let me know if you are the person who takes resolutions for New Year's in the comment section down below. I personally don't end up taking some resolutions, but I am excited to hear the resolutions that you will take this year. So now it's time to celebrate our New Year's Eve, and I want to share with you this eye look which is extremely easy, and I've only used one eyeshadow palette. So you can create this look on your New Year's Eve and look extremely glamorous. In this video, I have not shared my foundation routine. However, I will put the link of that video right over here so that you guys can check it out. And now you guys, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let me show you how I did this makeup. So as you all know, I like to start with my eyebrows first, and I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper, and I am in the shade Taupe Tom, and I'm going to take the spoolie side first, comb the hair off my brows in the same direction as its growth, and then with the pencil side I'm going to lightly fill them in, starting with the tail of my brows. So for the front portion of my brows, I just like to create hair-like strokes in vertical directions so that they look a little bit more fuller yet natural. And then I like to take the eyebrow definer from PAC Cosmetics, and with the middle two colors, I am just going to tap the eyebrows, and they are also going to set the cream product that we just applied. This will also fill whatever areas is remaining and give it a little bit more bolder look. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my P.Louise base and apply it all over my eyelid. This will just cancel out the discoloration and the little bit veins that can be seen, and it will also give me a flawless color base canvas to work my eyeshadows on. And now with a flat shader brush, I'm just going to spread it evenly all over my eyelid, starting from under my brows all the way to the lash line. You can also use a concealer if you don't have an eyeshadow base, but guys, you have to do this step because you want to look extremely flawless and your eye makeup should just stand out. But if you're not doing this, then all the effort that you have put on doing your eyes will just go down the drain, and that's not what you want. Then just to even it out, I'm taking my damp sponge. This one is from Plume, and I was quite excited to use it, and so far it is extremely soft. And I'm just running it all over the eyeshadow base so that we have an even base to work our eyeshadow on. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Rosegold Remastered palette, and you know the reason, because it has got the beautiful variety of colors and you can just create endless looks. And now going in with the shade Demure, I am going to just tap it with my MAC 222 and apply it right on the natural crease. And as you will see, I am tapping it and not swiping it because we are going to set the eyeshadow base that we applied before, because we have not set it yet. So we need to set it, and first I like to tap my product, and then I am going to blend it in swiping motions or in windshield wiper motions. Like this, the eyeshadow base is just going to hold the eyeshadow, which is a powder. So just imagine a liquid, like a powder falling on a liquid. It just grabs it and holds it, and it will not budge. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm also going to take it a little bit above my natural crease so that it will act as a transition color. I'm going to keep it rounded as well in the outer corners. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Cocoa and a little bit of henna. I'm just going to apply it in the outer corners. I'm going to go from light to heavy. I'm just building my color because I don't want to face any difficulty in blending, so I prefer to start building my color. So again, I'm just placing it, and now I'm actually only taking the shade Cocoa. I'm only placing it and applying it all over my eyelid, just under the natural crease. And the brush that I'm using is PAC 340. And then with the tip of the brush, I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm just taking the previous brush that I applied the shade Demure with, and I'm just going to blend the top line and diffuse both the colors. I am not taking any more eyeshadow on the brush. Now I'm taking a little bit of the black truffle shade and a little bit of the cocoa, and I'm just going to run it on my natural crease. Because we are going to do halo eyes, I just want to enhance the copper shade right in the centers of the lid, and that's the reason I'm doing this. And then I'm just going to blend out the harsh edges with the previous brush that we applied the brown shade with. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to create a cut crease, and I'm taking the Inglot AMC Gel Liner in number 94 and a flat brush. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is the cream shadow brush. I have also applied a few drops of the Inglot Duraline just to make it a little bit more easy to cut the crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rest my eye and just look straight in the mirror, and I'm going to first make a point where I want to cut my crease from. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drag the product until my natural crease or the crease that we have cut. Now you see I'm using a flat brush which is a little U-shaped, and that is why it's important to use this sort of a brush and not like a straight flat brush, because it will not give you a perfect that U sort of a shape on the top. So that's why I recommend having this sort of a brush. And now once I'm happy with my cut crease, I am just going to apply a little bit more product just to enhance the color of the crease and the center part, where we are going to apply a little bit of the pigment. Now going back to the PAC 340, and with the brown shade, I'm just taking it on the tip of the brush. I'm lightly just tapping it so that the colors blend together and we don't see any harsh line over here. But you know what? Scratch the previous step. I think it's more important to apply the pigment while the gel liner is wet. So I'm going to take another flat brush. This is from MAC 242, and I am going to apply this loose pigment right on top of it. And I'm just pressing it. And then gently spreading it. And now I'm going to take the brown shade and blend both the corners together. If you notice, I am only tapping the product, because if you are swiping it, we are going to just take the copper pigment all over our eyelid, and that's not what we want. So I'm just gently tapping it. If you have difficulties in tapping the product in the inner corners, I recommend taking a small brush, and I am going to take the one from PAC 381 and tap it. Lightly tapping my brush in the black shade, I am just going to apply it in the outer corners. Again, if you notice, I am only tapping the product, and then I will blend it once I'm happy with the placement of the product. Then I'm going to take a tiny smudge brush. This one is from Morphe B16. I will leave down a beautiful alternative to this brush in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. And I'm going to apply the black shade closest to my upper lash line. Now this is going to be extremely close to my upper lash line, because this will just hide the band of our false lashes. And again, I am only tapping the product, guys. Only tap the product, because if we are swiping it, we are going to remove the copper pigment as well. It may look like I'm swiping the product, but to be very honest, I'm just going in flickering motions, and at the same time I'm tapping. I hope you know what I mean actually. To finish my eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and wear a pair of false lashes. Today I'm going to wear mascara from Too Faced, and this is called Better Than Sex mascara, guys. This is a brilliant mascara. And if you're and actually the lashes that I'm going to wear are from PAC Cosmetics. They're extremely natural, and they are in number 53. If you're not wearing lashes, I highly recommend you apply a lot of mascara, because these eyes need a lot of drama, and hence you should wear a lot of mascara. Now for my lower lash line, I'm just going to take a little bit loose powder and apply it right under my eyes, and this will just prevent the fallout of the eyeshadows, and we can just clean it up with a clean brush. So for my lower lashes, I'm starting with the black shade, and I'm taking the same brush that we used to apply black eyeshadow right closest to our top lash line, and without taking any more product, because I'm pretty sure this has a lot of product, I'm just going to apply it in my lower lash line, only in the outer thirds of the eye. And then I'm taking another stiff brush, and with the shade Henna and Cocoa, I'm going to apply it right underneath it, going all the way to the inner corners of my eye. I'm just taking a black shade and intensifying my lower lash line. I'm also going to connect it to the upper eyeshadow we created, just to give it a little seamless look and a more united look. And then to finish off my eyes, I'm going to take a golden shade from my Ofra highlighting palette, and I'm just going to apply it in the innermost corners with a pencil brush. I'm then going to apply some mascara to finish and close the deal. So guys, make sure you blend this area and you don't end up just tapping it, or then it just becomes like a blob of just eyeshadow, which does not look good. So tap off the excess and just blend the product. What I'm doing is I'm going inward, and then on the lower lashes I'm just dragging a little bit on my lower lashes and connecting it to the other eyeshadows. Dust off the loose powder under my eyes. And then actually I got this tool from Amazon, which really helps me open up and remove the clumps of the mascara in my lower lashes. Well, you can do it in your upper lashes as well, but for this video I'm going to use it only in my lower lashes. So this is my final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you liked this look. If you did, please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar. Please don't forget to tag me if you end up creating this look on Instagram. You can find the details of my Instagram page in the description box down below. And I will see you very soon in my next video next week, next year. Wish you a very happy new year, guys. I hope you have a blast. Please keep safe because coronavirus is still there. So please keep safe, and I will see you very soon. Till then, take care, and thank you so much for watching, and happy new year, guys.